So today I'm going to unbox the Mano AU PM421 condenser USB microphone. So let's start the unboxing. So it is covered in a plastic wrapper. So let me cut it. So it is a good packing actually. And inside that I can see there is a box. So let me cut it a bit more. Okay, here it is. Nice pack. So where is the USB microphone set? Branding is this side. It's the AU PM421, and at the back side you can see all the specification given, manufacturer information, you can get it, and other details. So all the details are given at the back side, so you can read out those things. Okay, so it's time to open and check what this box contains. So let me open the seal from here. It is sealed from the front side, so I have to cut it from here. Okay, so yeah, I think I can open from here. Okay, so at the very top you can see there are some devices. I can see at the very top, as usual, it has some warranty paper and the user manual. So this contains the complete user manual, so keep it aside. This one happy card is also given from the manufacturer side, so you can also keep aside. Now I have the microphone cover which will be needed there, and the microphone filter. So look like it's a good quality filter is there. It's a metal bar and with the lock at one end, so look strong. Now go to the next section. So it has a lot of things inside it actually, so let me pull out the whole content and keep the box aside. So it has many things, right? So let's check one by one. And it is very good fitted actually. Yeah. So first of all, this is your vibration control unit. So this will protect your microphone by vibration. Looks good. It is a metal body actually. Now second thing, there's a band also given, so there will be a lot of wires, right? To keep all those wires together, you will use the band. And this is the main body for the clamp actually, where we will keep our microphone and we'll fit it with some table. So looks very heavy and metallic content actually. So it looks strong. Now this hinge will be used to lock with your table. So it is also made of metal and look like a good condition actually, and heavy duty. Okay, now has come. So this is the microphone, which is heavy actually, I would say. Looks strong. At the front side you can see the logo, and there are some controls also given. It is black in color, so looks good. Yeah, it's beautiful actually. So keep it aside. Now next thing we have the USB cables, which will be used to connect the microphone with your laptop. Okay, and so now this is what the whole content. So filter was already there in the first box, the cover for the microphone. So this is what the whole content of this box. So now first let this clamp to be fixed with the hard surface. So normally I put it on my table, so it has a hard surface, so do not put it on the glass, it may break your glass, so please be careful. So I am putting it in a side of one of my table. So you can use this screw. It's look like it's made of steel, so you can easily tighten it, and it has given some grip also, so at the top, so it will help to make this lock be strong actually. Yeah, so look like it is fixed with the table. And now on the top you'll have one knob there. You can use this knob to lock your main clamp, the main folding bar onto that. So you can use this bar to lock the stand. So put this inside the hole, and you have a knob to make a loose, or maybe to keep it more fixed to this. So easily put it inside, and now move this clockwise to just lock this, and make sure everything is tight. So now the time is to fix my microphone, but before that let's fix the vibrate controller. So this is your controller, and you have one knob here with the thread is there, and at the second end of your main clamp, right, you also have a similar knob. So just simply move clockwise to lock this vibrator. Gently, and it will slowly just move on this thread, and it automatically will make this vibrator onto the main lock. Yeah, so look like it's fit now. So you have a knob, so just make it loose or tight, so use that as per your need, and make sure that it is now fit completely. Okay, so now time is to put the microphone. So there's a two springs are given, right? Just press it to make it loose, and release it to make it tight. So just press it and put inside your microphone gently. So let's put the filter. So for filter you have this clamp and knob kind of thing, so you can put this knob inside your main body like this, and so just move this lock. So make sure that it is fixed properly. Just remove this knob to make this fit on the body. Okay, now this filter body that now is normally able to, you can rotate this, you can move here and there as per your need. So put this just in front of your microphone, between your mouth and the microphone, so it will filter the voice. Okay, so look like it is done. Now it's time to fix the wire. The USB cable is there, so you have to fix this cable with the microphone. So let me show you the microphone bottom part, where we have to insert the USB port. So we have this mini USB at this end, so you can match the size and gently insert into this microphone. So this is the size, right? So another end is for the USB. So put the cable from the bottom, and then gently insert the cable. Okay, and put back the microphone inside the holder that is your filter, the vibration holder. Yeah, okay, so it is done. And finally put the filter, the cover, microphone cover, to reduce more noises. Okay, so it is done now. So finally the installation is done. My microphone is ready with all the required setup, and it's look good then. So thanks for watching the unboxing of the Mino AU PM421 condenser. So I will use it for some time, and then I will again upload my review for this microphone. Thanks a lot.